Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by defining clear learning goals and outcomes for the training program. Use the SMART criteria to make objectives specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Conduct a needs analysis with surveys, interviews, and performance data over 2 weeks. Identify skill gaps and prioritize topics by business impact and learner readiness. Define target audience segments, baseline proficiency, and preferred learning formats clearly. Document findings and recommendations in a concise one-page summary for stakeholders. Set a baseline measurement plan with KPIs and success metrics tied to revenue. Map each learning objective to a focused module with measurable outcomes. Sequence modules logically from foundational skills to advanced application over a recommended 8-week pathway. Choose blended delivery, classroom, microlearning, and 30-minute video sessions for flexibility. Create practical exercises with real-world scenarios and 3 to 5-minute job aids. Build assessments for knowledge checks, skills demos, and a final evaluation rubric. Produce templates for slides, facilitator guides, and participant workbooks. Ensure accessibility standards, captioning, and mobile-friendly formats for all learners. Pilot the program with a representative cohort for 4 weeks and collect feedback. Train facilitators and assign mentors to support practical skill transfer during the pilot. Track engagement, completion, assessments, and on-the-job performance metrics tied to KPIs. Use quantitative data and qualitative feedback to identify friction points and improvement opportunities. Iterate using feedback, update content quarterly, and scale via the LMS with role-based pathways. Budget for maintenance, licenses, and 20 hours monthly content updates. Report results to stakeholders monthly and plan the next improvement cycle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.